One of Apple's most affordable phones ever launches today.
Rich DeMuro goes hands-on with the iPhone SE and today's Tech Smart. And Rich, who are they targeting with this phone?
Good morning to you, Chris and Megan. I think they're targeting just about everyone that does not necessarily need the absolute best pictures and videos out of an iPhone. Here it is, the iPhone SE. Like you said, it's one of the most affordable iPhones in years, just $399. It's on sale now. So today I'm taking a look at what you get and what you don't get for that price tag. It's the iPhone so many have been asking for. A combination of useful features and an affordable price tag. The new iPhone SE is just $399. So what do you get for that price and what don't you get? For starters, it's a smaller device with a 4.7-inch LCD screen, which isn't as bright or vibrant as the displays on the newest iPhones. There's a home button with a fingerprint reader, but no facial recognition. Right now, that's probably a better thing since Face ID doesn't work with protective masks on. Like most phones these days, there is no headphone jack, but Apple includes wired headphones in the box that plug into the Lightning port on the bottom of the phone. The camera is going to be the biggest difference between the iPhone SE and the iPhone 11. There's only one lens on the back, which means no wide-angle shots, and zooming is limited to a digital pinch. Also, there's no night mode, but the back camera can record 4K video, and both cameras can create portrait mode pictures with those fancy-looking blurry backgrounds. And the SE supports wireless charging. Perhaps the best part about the iPhone SE is the processor inside. It has an A13 Bionic chip, the same as Apple's top-of-the-line iPhone 11 lineup. Overall, the iPhone SE is a perfect phone for many users who want a fast device, great pictures, access to amazing apps, iMessage, and a wide range of accessories, along with compatibility with other Apple products like their watch. Although the design and technology of the SE isn't necessarily the freshest, it sets a new standard for what a budget phone can do for the price. Now, bottom line, like I said, if you want the best pictures, videos, and screen that Apple has to offer, you probably still want to go with an iPhone 11 model, but for everyone else, the iPhone SE is just about perfect at that price tag of $399. My only recommendation, at that price, you only get 64 gigabytes of storage. I'd say spring for the extra $50. That will double your storage on this device. All right, if you want to learn more, I've got more of my thoughts on the new iPhone SE on my social media. You can find me at Rich on Tech. But Chris and Megan, Apple is going to sell a lot of these devices.
No doubt. Rich, thanks, man. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, Rich. All right, 5:36 is the time. Let's go back out to